In the beginning, everything was dark, like the unknown depths of the underwater world. There was only constant effort and passion, much like the endless possibilities of the sea. A small change can lead to big innovation. The small invisible connection has become a chance to interact with the world, which in turn leads to a bigger world. The company S&W connects people's values and future hopes beyond the value of connecting products and technologies. Since its establishment in 1967, S&W has been on the same path for the past 50 years. Starting with the engineered bolt industry, it has continued to grow on the basis of its employees' constant creative development and effort. Beginning with basic industrial products, such as nuts and bolts, it took part in Korea's industrial development, including nuclear parts and major parts for ship diesel engines. In the 2000s, in collaboration with Woosung Valve, it has grown into a global company for a better future with a wider range of products and superior quality. Using the best technology and quality, S&W employs various domestic and foreign advanced certifications, including ISO 9001 Quality Management System, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System Certification, and KR heat treatment methods, as well as localization of engine parts for four-stroke ships and high-frequency technology for camshaft profiles. S&W continues to push further research and development at this time. The manufacturing process in 3 production facilities, engine parts, industrial parts, and forged parts, begins with the cutting of raw materials. The raw material that has been cut will be processed in the desired shape through its own forging equipment, processing CNC and MCT, and repeating surface heat treatment. The processed product will be polished once again through surface treatment and high-frequency heat treatment after polishing. After a non-destructive test using a penetration test machine, the final inspection of appearance and dimensions will be carried out, and the products that are inspected will be supplied to the customer through packaging. The business area of S&W consists of industrial bolts, diesel engine parts, and forged parts. Industrial bolts and nuts have numerous construction delivery records, focusing on flange signing bolts, such as stud bolt and hex, for petrochemical and construction plant projects of well-known construction companies in Korea. It supplies high-quality special surface bolts completed with differentiated processes and inspection systems of major global oil companies such as FPSO of Korean shipbuilders, and supplies a variety of bolts throughout nuclear and heavy industries, thanks to its extensive knowledge of heavy industries and power generation plants. In addition, S&W produced and supplied a large amount of anchor bolts and numerous high-tensile bolts that are the basic bolts in the construction of the Gwangan Bridge in Busan. Thanks in part to the agreement with the National Defense Venture Center, our company is making endless investment in R&D in the development of precision parts for the military defense industry and the development of aviation parts for fighter jets. Additionally, S&W is a strategic core material self-reliance technology development participant being promoted by a large government agency. We are developing a large blade manufacturing technology for alloy, which is a high-strength special material, and we are preparing to enter the domestic and foreign power generation and aircraft turbine blade markets by securing technology development in the future. The diesel engine parts are manufactured by processing the ultra-precision core components such as the cam and cap shaft that controls the absorption and exhaust operation of the cylinder inside the engine, the valve and the citring that controls the inhalation and exhalation of the cylinder, and the piston pin that connects the piston and the connecting rod in the cylinder inside the engine. Furthermore, the holding down bolt which connects the ship's body to the engine and the stay bolt which fixes the engine itself are also manufactured to provide quality products that can perform various tests and any advanced inspections with tension and hardness suitable for high temperature and high pressure engine environments. In order to directly carry out the forging process required for engine parts with its own forging equipment, S&W has a 2-ton and 6-ton drop hammer and a 10-ton hydraulic hammer to produce high-quality forging products, such as DNV certification and supply high-quality monotonous products required by heavy equipment, industrial machinery, and the automobile industry. Through the global partnership, we will be sensitive to developments in the rapidly changing global manufacturing industry market, with the goal of shared growth with our global partners. We will always stand by our customers by establishing a stable business structure with products that are recognized by customers as using high technology, as well as the best quality and complementary products. Based on our core values of people-friendly management of safety, welfare, and environment, the best price and quality of production, we will strive to make constant effort to become a global leader in customer satisfaction. Your reliable partner, S&W.